Hello, Mink Floydians. I'm good, you're great, together we're fabulous. And we are back with Psychonauts 2. It's been a while since I've gotten to play. I actually forgot some of the controls, because that's how long it's been. And unfortunately, with my last recording, it was, I mean, not only did I... Okay, there we go. Not only did I not realize my audio wasn't working for recording myself, but it just was such a long, it was almost 2 hours of footage that I cut down.
Agent Boom, I got some visitors here who are really excited to.
Ah, I said one. I only needed one bee.
I was gonna say, why would you release
Shoo,
them?
get out of here.
I got extra. They seem friendly.
Oh no, don't all talk at once, please. I can't take it. I can't. It's too much. Too much.
Oh no, don't explode. And don't explode me.
Can I help him?
Agent Boom,
Ah,
would you mind if I made a quick and very quiet, wellness check inside your mind? Scream once for yes, I may enter your mind, and twice for no. Great. Out of my way, bees.
That's really funny. I mean, it makes me a little sad that it's just like some bees could do that to him. Also makes me wonder what the bees are saying. Buzz off. This is unbelievable. Alright, I'll stop with the puns. That's a big bell. Or maybe a rope to pull the bell? I'll go
no,
with the bell.
not yet. I'm not ready. Cassie's not here.
Not ready for what?
Dinner.
Uh-oh. Let me guess. We're on the menu?
No, worse. Judgment.
Oh. Kinda got a point.
Court is in session. Please remain standing, if you're able.
I better eat a side pop before I run out of mental energy.
Ah! Never touch a judge's gavel!
Oh shit. Oh shh.
Let's take a 5-minute recess.
Wow, I almost ate that fast. Nice. Double nice.
Oh, no, 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 no.
What do the bees have to do with judgment?
Captain,
Anything but this.
So 4 does it go?
time for...
Ram it!
Oh, but they're adorable as puppets. Oh, look at that strawberry. It's so cute. Alright, that's an egg. I think. Oh, look at his beard.
Good evening, and welcome to Ram It Down.
Oh, that's the
I'm your
dad.
host, Tin Can Zanotto, and tonight we'll watch one lucky contestant prepare 3 increasingly complicated dishes in an attempt to please our celebrity judges.
Oh, I just noticed the hand down below.
Impossible! He'll never do it. He's nothing without Cassie.
I freaking love
And
that they
he's
have
the
the
nice
eyes
one.
placed wrong on that puppet. Oh, what's that? I see something in the crowd.
Well, let's get to our first dish, a tragic
Wait, am I gonna
delicacy from a
cook
troubled
people in the
nation.
audience or the
a
food in the audience, should I say?
Glovian drowned
That's messed up.
egg. First, our contestant will have to find a very outspoken egg.
Oh, me! Pick me!
Boil it in hot water.
I'm all fired up and ready to go.
Prepare it with an unruly onion
He said my name.
that's been sliced into pieces.
Just call me Pork Chopper.
Put them both together on a plate and see if the judges can bear 2.
Ram it down.
Finish your dish before the clock runs out, and you'll win valuable prizes from the Mystery Box.
Interesting.
What do you say? Think you're up to the challenge?
Sounds easy. We got this. Right, partner?
And he's gone.
Partner?
Well, I want
Yeah.
to get all the
What was I expecting?
figments. Am I gonna have time? Oh, crap.
And Chef has the egg.
It's happening!
Let's see if he remembers what to do with it.
Right off you.
My runny days are over!
Careful, that's hot.
Oh, shit. Okay, I did not expect that to happen.
Well, let's get to our first dish, a tragic deli.
All right.
And Chef has the egg.
It's happening!
Let's see if he remembers what to do with it.
Right off you.
I feel good about this.
Yeah, right in the water.
Oh, yep.
Well, don't just sit there resting on your boils. We've got other ingredients to prepare.
Oh, wait, no, but I gotta... Damn it! Alright.
Got the first tag.
Are you the unruly onion?
What's he doing? He doesn't need bread.
Now, what am I gonna do with this?
Onion acquired. You won't be sorry.
Oh, shit.
Let's see if he makes the cut. Slice me up, I dare ya!
Motherfucker. Okay, yeah. It's weird. Oh, do I pull that? Okay.
Done it! Quick, hit that button, Chef.
Oh,
Chopping process has begun. And he's boiled. And that's a perfectly chopped onion.
I feel like this is the real me.
Let's plate that ingredient, Chef.
Okay, wait, did he say blend? Oh, shoot, am I supposed to go up there? Motherfucker! Where did I do with him? Oh. Oh, do I gotta do that all over again? God damn it. That's friggin' annoying.
Okay, he's placed the ingredient. Will he be able to pull back the pork chopper's action hoof?
Well, I did it before, so clearly yes.
More goop and relaxing than it looks.
Sorry, I saw this down here. I'm like, I was only trying to help. Alright, so he snuck in. Aw, look at all the animals. And he let them all free. And they were all very happy and great. Wait, why is he sad? Wait, did he blow them up? What? Why?
And that's a perfectly chopped onion.
I feel like this is the real me.
Let's plate that ingredient, Chef.
Oh, shit. Let's plate that ingredient. Wait. Oh, he wants me to plate it? I just plate it? And now I...
Can't please those dumb goats.
what's that sound?
I don't know, but I don't really have time to think about it, my dude. Okay. Oh, shit! Oh, wait, is she...
We
Do I gotta
only
go
have 5
boil
more
that thing
seconds. Oh, sorry. I'm not.
It's happening! And to think I could have ended up a stupid chicken.
Judges are shocked.
We make a great team.
Yeah,
Let's
because
see
you
if he
totally
can
did.
get it to the plate. He's assembled all his ingredients. If Chef would just hit that button, we can begin the presentation.
Did we make it?
Well, here we are, at the moment of truth. Will we be looking at a drowned egg or a drowned contestant?
This is so weird.
Reveal the meal.
I mean, I don't know who came up with this level. Oh, he's pulling. Oh my god.
So, what we did was, we took an egg
Boring.
and we popped it into the water.
Pedestrian!
Then Chef had the idea to withhold the salt at just the right moment to create a sense of longing within the yolk, if you will.
You what?
We think it really improves the nose feel of the composition.
Compelling.
Okay.
Bon appetit.
Oh my god. Gross.
Surprisingly acceptable.
Surprisingly acceptable.
And that's not all. By finishing within the time limit, you've opened the mystery box.
Oh, a brain.
Well, don't just stand there resting on your laurels.
Oh, that dude.
That one was a gimme.
Let's see how you do on your next dish.
Shoot.
Congratulations. You did it. How does it feel?
Well,
Fantastic. Well, get ready, because it's time for your next dish. Right after this commercial message.
A commercial message? Tin can crunch. Oh. Okay, he needs to stop stroking that cereal. Wait, really? I'm gonna have to fight these dudes over some cereal. No. Okay, I need to get better fighting.
No.
Time for justice! My baby!
Alright. Alright. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, there we go.
Council must not badger the gavel!
I need to stop getting so close that they can do that shit.
Never touch a judge's gavel!
Damn it.
Agent Poole, an important thing to do when you're feeling overwhelmed is to take breaks. So before I push that button and start the next dish, let's take a breather, okay?
Good idea.
Good, so now I can go around and actually explore. Alright, well, either way, I'm ready to get cooking.
See, Agent Bull? You can do it.
Next one won't be so easy.
You got that
You
right.
can do
For your
it.
next dish, you'll be creating a strawberry jam croque madame.
Oh, that sounds fun. There's
You'll
a
need
pig
to
with
boil
arms!
Another egg.
Easy.
Take some bread.
I've already risen to the occasion.
I love the puns.
Slice it up.
Bread's much nicer once it's been through the slicer.
And fry it up on the griddle.
I'm getting ready to ribbit flip out. Well, what about the strawberry, huh? Hey!
Glad you asked. We'll need not just any strawberry, but a strawberry that's been blended.
Oh,
Did
great.
someone call for patty puree?
All
Lord.
right, monsieur. It's time to show us your best madame. I wonder which ingredient he'll select first.
Hey, I hear you worked with my brother.
Woohoo!
Walk in the kitchen, please. Especially with that.
Oh, did I already drop it? Can I just grab the hoe from over here?
Hey, I hear you worked with my brother. Yeah!
Careful, that's hot.
My kids are finally gonna respect me.
Because you're gonna get eaten?
Sunny days are over.
Alright, cool. So we got that. And then should probably do...
You won't be disappointed. Blender's the best way to get my juices out.
Okay. How...
Careful. I lost an arm in there once. Once a goat tastes human flesh, well, it changes the relationship.
Holy crap, I didn't even see that that was in there.
Quick moving blades, razor sharp. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh, I'm supposed to hit the button. I'm a freaking moron.
Wonder if I should work on something else instead of waiting.
Oh, yeah, alright. Thank you, Raz. Oh, that was the luckiest freaking thing in the world. Alright. Okay.
I think I hear something.
Oh shit, I gotta... Alright. Alright, oh my god, I think I got that. Alright. So let's bring the bread.
It actually smells good.
Alright.
3 minutes left, oh my.
Cause I heard him say seconds before. Oh, that's a strawberry. Alright, and strawberry is where? There. Okay, god damn it. Oh, okay.
I'm very good for you.
Okay, thank freaking god.
The ingredients are in.
Croak, 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 croak.
What do you think, Chef? Did you get caught in a jam? Are you
Nice.
worried about croaking? Reveal
Alright, I'm excited to see how this came out.
the meal.
That's
What
so
do you have to say for
adorable.
yourself?
We have attempted to infuse this dish with,
Curiosity and resilience. The more sensitive palates among you will also discern just a dash of regret.
Ugh, the way they eat is so good.
Slightly better than a mouthful of nails.
Slightly better?
And that's not all. By finishing within...
Why is it only slightly better?
You've opened the
They were nice about the last
mystery
one.
box.
Why are they so mean to me now? Alright, another half a brain.
Now be gone!
And bring us more food.
Jeez,
Well,
rude.
you two must be feeling great after producing such a quality product for our judges. And speaking of quality products, it's time for a word from one of our sponsors.
Hopefully this time I won't F it up. Please don't tell me they get harder too as it goes on. Bees! Oh, these guys. It's bees in 'em. It's Dr. Bees! If anybody's seen that on YouTube. If you haven't, please go watch it. It's absolutely hysterical. A mass vigilante with a mouthful of bees. Ah, you're both on fire.
I sentence you to death!
Those Psy-Pops are good. And good for you.
Ha! My power comes from justice! Roar!
Oh, why didn't I stock up on Psy-Pops?
Alright. The bigger question is, why do I keep turning off my Psy Blast? God damn it. Oh.
My baby! Ah! Council must may cross-examine.
Okay, there we go. I'm gonna have to stock up when I get back to the other level. Okay.
Thank you for helping me, young man. I don't know what I'd do without you.
You failed, Mr.
Taking a break before I push that button.
We might just get through this.
What do you mean,
oh,
we?
I hope I didn't just jinx it.
Me too, because it's time for our third and final dish. Straight from the Lumber Stack Diner, it's the Honey Pepper Pancake Stacker. You'll need another egg.
Yep.
We're old friends. He boiled my dad and grandfather.
Oh, but this time that egg needs to fry.
Then I'm your guide, Ribbit.
Next,
Okay.
you'll need a boar.
Oh no.
I'm just a pig, but trust me, I'm game. Get it?
Whatever, as long as that pig gets sliced.
They're gonna.
That's a little sick, man.
Yeah. Wow.
Fry.
Wait, I gotta pull a double shift?
To give our pancake stack that signature beehive look, you're going to be using
Bread?
an actual beehive.
Oh.
Ooh, I'm all a buzz.
I wish Cassie were here to handle those bees.
But wait, there's more. The
Okay.
final touch of summery sweetness comes from a watermelon.
So that's a
It's
juicer.
about Tom.
that's been chopped.
Sure, I guess. Kind of still thinking about that pig, though.
And then blended.
Yep.
Oh. Looks like I'm the big finish.
No pressure, but this is Ford Cruller's favorite dish.
To mess this up would be an insult to the very
He said
heart
Ford,
of
didn't
the
he?
Psychonauts.
Instead of fawn.
Yeah.
So, chefs, better get cooking.
Alright, so number 1.
I knew you couldn't resist me.
Chef has picked a fine watermelon, but he needs to slice it before he blends it.
I don't understand why. You could just throw it in the blender, it'll be fine.
So far, so good. But will he remember to pull back the action hook?
I mean, you literally just told me to do that,
Once he pushes that button, the chopping begins.
Let me at that melon. I'll make it real juicy.
so... God damn it. Alright. Get you that blender. Oh, great.
Need to tune this up.
Cool. Doing good.
Come over here, melon.
Cool. Ugh. Should've done that. Okay. Alright, get the pig.
He said I never fly. Look at me now, haters. I need to get chopped soon while I'm young.
What?
This is weird.
Grandpa Mervin!
Petey? Is that you? Oh no, this just got
Hey!
Hey, that wasn't so bad.
I feel great.
No kidding? Well, say hi to your dad for me. 3 minutes left, oh my.
The frying pan is ready for chef. Bring over that sliced pork.
Working on it, bruh.
Is that honey pepper boar bacon I smell?
Not yet.
Quick, chef, get that ingredient packet to the serving plate.
Oh, man. I wish I had a side pop right now.
Yeah, I'll get you some help in a minute, man. Let's see. It's the beehive. That one.
You're moving the hive. Somebody.
Alright.
Here, over here.
Oh, wait, who, watermelon.
Ooh, me!
Try it and hope
Get moving.
Oh, well, that does help. Okay.
Who is this guy?
Does it say it needs to be boiled?
I love cooking, but I hate cooking.
Oh, I can feel it's helping my lower back already.
Okay.
It's happening.
We know Chef has boiled an egg before, but this one needs to be fried.
Careful with that. 20 seconds to go. I don't want to panic you, but I would say panic would not be completely inappropriate at a time like this.
Now, does Chef remember where the serving plate is?
5 seconds. That's definitely a safety violation.
Well, what are you waiting for? It's serving time. Well, for better or worse, it looks like the dish is assembled. Just put...
Lumber stack! Lumber stack! Lumber stack!
Have I mentioned that when prepared improperly, the honey pepper pancake stack can produce an interesting byproduct? No? I didn't mention the possibility of a deadly swarm of killer bees? Ah, no.
Oh, maybe you don't get the mystery prize.
Let's see what we got. Reveal the meal!
Oh. Why does he have a white hole in the
Is
bottom?
that the tallest stack you could manage?
It's taller than it looks.
Because we put the literal height of the horizontality of the flavor profile, if you will.
Wow.
Moderately pleasant.
Aw, finally, a decent compliment. Alright, so maybe if you get in the time limit, you get the extra mystery box, and that's just what I did.
Well, Chef, it looks like you've won over not just our judges, but also our audience.
Aww. I love the little stickers coming
How
out of
do
the
you
pig. I
feel?
don't know why.
I couldn't have done it without this young man here.
No way! You can totally do this on your own now, Agent Boole.
No, don't say that.
That's great to hear. Because it's time for what, audience?
Double down!
Oh no.
No!
That's right. It's time to double down. Chef will be cooking alone in our isolation station, completely dependent on his sous chef to gather the ingredients he needs for the final 3 dishes.
I like he uses.
Don't worry, Agent Boole. I'll get you all the ingredients you need.
What do you think, judges? Ready for another course?
No problem.
We're professionals.
We might have to make a little room.
Oh my god.
Okay, first dish is vegetable medley. Ingredients on the board. I'm getting out of here before things get messy.
Possibly overserved. I've literally got to fight them? They came up and then he went away. Alright, finally!
Well,
Oh my god.
who
Oh,
are
those are
these
creepy.
jammy fellows?
Serve them quickly, young man. You never know what these tarts might do.
Run for the hills, folks!
His other hand?
Well, I don't know about you, but I've certainly had my fill of excitement today.
I'm
All right,
confused.
everybody, let's clean up this mess. Come on, get a move on. Clean kitchen, clean mind.
Wow.
You see, this is why I usually get takeout.
That's kind of cute, though. Alright, so I'm going to go back when I have more tags. Get the remaining 2 figments. I might need more power-ups before I can do those. That was hard. That was annoying. Just... ugh.
Oh, that is so Cassie. But what do you mean they won't let her out? What librarian?
Librarian.
Here, my boy. You've earned this. I need to go find Cassie right away. Lost? We'll never get lost. I know that forest like the back of my hand.
Wait, don't you want help? Guess he doesn't.
Oh, that's very cool. Very sweet. Oh, they're gonna let me go in
With
there.
this senior league pass, I can get to Agent Crawler in the bowling alley and try to reconnect that aspect of his mind. The bowling aspect.
I'm definitely excited to continue down with him. Excuse me.
Hi!
Hi?
Since Agent Bull left, why do you stick around?
Oh, you never know when someone is going to rush out here needing some emergency psycho-isolation.
Agent Forsyth comes up here a lot for her migraines.
Oh.
Scanning access granted.
So I'm definitely gonna head
I
back.
wish I could report the work I'm doing to Agent Forsyth, but Agent Sonato gave me strict orders not to. He can't really suspect Hollis. Can he?
No, I suspect him and that somebody has taken over his mind waves. Alright.
Got to work.
Is it time to take a spin in the brain tumbler? Yes, I'm ready to go to the collective unconscious.
Ready, willing, and able. Okay. So, oh, let me see. Let's enter. Yes, this is where I want to go. Hot streak. Loading, loading, loading. Keep that loading going. So I'm actually going to go ahead and end it here. I will go ahead and record the in-between. If it's interesting, I'll go ahead and leave it in. Otherwise, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it here. Next time, I will make sure I go back to the forest and catch up with my family. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and, you know, please like and subscribe.